iced mocha, blended frap, or frothed hot. Enjoy the microbiome support of 100% organic cacao with chlorogenic acid over ice, blended or hot and frothed. And your protective microbes will flood you with anti-inflammatory compounds. Organic, defatted, and naturally sugar-free cacao powder is genuinely microbiome supportive. Protective polyphenols, specifically flavonols, are in chocolate and are similar to those in tea, grapes, pomegranates, cranberries, blueberries, blackberries. They act as prebiotics, feeding our beneficial resident microbes. These flavonols found in cacao are not absorbed without polyphenol-dependent microscopic acromancia, converting them into bioactive metabolites within us. The metabolites they provide reduce inflammation to support metabolism, regulate the cell cycle, inhibit tumor cell proliferation, promote apoptosis, program cell death, and support immune function. With a protective diet and lifestyle, we feed and foster health-promoting microscopic life within us because we depend on them to efficiently metabolize protective ingredients and maximize their antioxidant capacity to block oxidative stress, reverse disease, prevent disease, reduce inflammation, and eliminate obesity. With Protective Diet, we are loving everything we're sipping on, everything we're nibbling on, and this lifestyle of privilege. Privilege, because we are privileged, eating the finest ingredients, cutting costs, saving time, saving money, and cutting to the chase of optimal health by promoting the life within us. With every bite and every sip, we are doing it with a protective diet. Whether it's hot, or it's iced, or it's blended, smooth and creamy and frosty this summer. On a protective diet, we're enjoying every bit of it. We're keeping it exciting. We're keeping it current by offering our favorite things that surround us in this world so that we don't get bored, so we don't get distracted, and we don't go find exciting. Because we have exciting with a protective diet. Exciting, and we're staying slim and healthy with every bite, sip, and celebration. There is something to enjoy. Take care and sip on this with me and Jerry and the Protective Diet community. and best of health.